Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fudge. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1½ sticks of butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Also, have ready 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. Don't forget to prepare your 9x 13-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper. This makes cutting and serving much easier later on. Now let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 3 cups of sugar, 1½ sticks of butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Bring this mixture to a full rolling boil over medium heat, stirring constantly for exactly 5 minutes. This step is crucial for the fudge's texture. After 5 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in the 12 ounces of chocolate chips and 7 ounces of marshmallow cream until smooth. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, pour the hot fudge into your prepared 9x 13-inch pan. It's important not to scrape the sides of the saucepan, as this can introduce crystals and affect the fudge's smoothness. Simply pour and then allow the fudge to cool completely and set undisturbed at room temperature for at least 4 hours. Patience is key here for perfect, sliceable fudge. Here are a few extra tips for your fudge-making success. Using a candy thermometer can help ensure your mixture reaches exactly 234 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the softball stage, for consistent results. Once cooled, store your delicious fudge in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.